Have you ever considered modeling? You're one of the prettiest faces I've seen in a long while. And believe me, I have seen a lot.
You really think so?
Yes, I do. Just look at your face. Your skin. It's glowing. Flawless. You could be a supermodel.
Thank you for the compliment. But I would rather marry the man I love and be a supermom to lots of children.
You're wasting what God gave you. हे भगवान, ये फॉरेनर तो मुझसे भी ज्यादा इंडियन है.
Hey guys, let's do something exciting here.
Like what?
Like, let's play a game.
Yeah, let's play. What are we playing?
Everyone here has to talk about his or her wildest sex experience. I agree.
I agree. No, we can't. Can't we play a game where all of us can participate?
Matlab? I mean, everybody here has done it, right?
No. No? Priya, you got to be kidding. I mean,
Are you still virgin?
I mean, come on, Priya. You know, I thought you must have done it with some of the hot celebrity men to whom you teach yoga to, baby.
Come on, Rahul. It's a question of personal choice. If she's chosen not to have it before marriage, then what's your problem?
Yeah, come on, man. Don't be a bore.
How can one wait for so long? I mean, there is nothing wrong in it.
My dear friends, life is short, so live the most of it. भैया I तो love sex. मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ.
Rahul, I mean, you've changed hell of a lot. The same guy who knew nothing about women has become a love guru.
What do you expect, baby?
Guys, it's time for
the bachelor party!
What? I think it's a bad idea. Bachelor party? हम इतने दिन बाद मिल रहे हैं and you guys want to party alone?
Oh, come on, man. Don't be a bore.
It's just an excuse to see some naked chicks.
Why not?
And we are going to show you that we are better than those stupid strippers. Yeah.
Well, then let's see what you got, baby.
Okay.
What's to see, यार? 3 साल तक कॉलेज में देखते रहे. Is there anything else to see?
अरे तंग आ चुके हैं देख के यार.
You guys are really mean.
Let's go, girls. They'll come dragging their tail behind us.
Exactly. Yeah, let's go.
शीशे में नशा, नशे में मजा, शीशे में नशा, नशे में मजा, पल में जीते हैं पल में मरते हैं, कैसा ये दीवानापन, मस्ती में है मैडनेस भी, कैसा ये आवारापन.
शीशे में नशा, नशे में मजा, पल में जीते हैं पल में मरते हैं, कैसा ये दीवानापन, मस्ती में है मैडनेस भी, कैसा ये आवारापन.
Shisha's making me high, so high, so wild, so high. Shisha's making me high, so high, so wild, so high.
Body stop us, we gotta keep moving on. Everybody join us, show the world that you still have a say. राइट और रॉन्ग क्या है यार, हमको कुछ पता नहीं, मर्जी से अपनी तो जीने में खाता नहीं.
आसान भी है, मुश्किल भी है, ये फैंटेसी कातिल भी है.
Smoke the joint, did you get the point? I'm losing my sense in the influence. Touching the
नशा दे नशा नशा क्या मजा नशा नशा ये नशा नशा दे नशा नशा क्या मजा
Double the ta 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 double the ba ta 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 double the dum 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 da dum da ram dum da dum dum da ram dum da ra dum dida dum da dum dida dum dida dum da ram double 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 dida
नशा नशा ये नशा नशा दे नशा नशा क्या मजा नशा नशा ये नशा नशा दे नशा नशा क्या मजा
you gotta come here
Shimmy, she shimmy,
come on yeah that's it that's it that's it
she shimmy, she
Yeah.
shimmy.
these are the boys
महाजन बोल
यार राहुल वो डिस्को गिर गया यार।
क्या बात कर रहा है यार, पिछले हफ्ते तो 90 रुपए बढ़ा था।
हाँ पर कल 193 रुपए गिर गया।
क्या? Are you sure? अरे वाट लग गई यार।
वो ठाकुर और बजाज को कैसे फेस करेंगे पता नहीं यार।
Shit. पता है पहली बार किसी का मेरी वजह से पैसा डूबा है।
चल तो टेंशन मत ले, कुछ करते हैं।
How's that possible? My predictions have never been wrong. This is not
What is not possible?
bloody hell.
तुम क्या नॉस्ट्रेडामस के सक्सेसर हो या पेशानदार वाले के भतीजे? दोनों में से एक भी नहीं ना? Don't worry, don't take tension.
हाँ पर ये मेरे साथ आज तक कभी नहीं हुआ।
राहुल, लाइफ में ना कभी कभी कुछ चीज़ें पहली बार होती हैं. Just think of this as all of them, okay? चल, I need to freshen up now.
Yeah, or people are gonna think we slept together. We had sex?
Yeah, I had an orgasm too.
Really? Wow.
Well, इतना खुश होने की जरूरत नहीं है, okay? मुझे तो कुछ याद भी नहीं है. I was drunk like a pig, yeah.
Damn, same.
Are you sure, Veera? मुझे गीता से ये उम्मीद नहीं थी. What a bitch!
Come on. See you guys. देखो अंतरा, प्लीज डोंट बी अपसेट यार। हम अच्छे दोस्त थे और हमेशा रहेंगे। We are good friends, right?
We aren't.
Huh? Why?
Rahul, because of last night?
Oh, come on, Antara. How can you be so sure कि कुछ हुआ भी था?
See, Rahul, you know, we've always wanted each other and,
What? Really?
I mean, we've always been fond of each other and we were drunk and it was perfect setting.
Yeah, I mean for making out. I mean, you know, ये भी तो हो सकता है कि we just went to sleep right away, right?
Yeah, but considering our drunken state, there was a lesser probability of that happening.
देखो बाबा, जो भी होना था ना, वो हो गया. It's in the past now. Now, I don't think कि इन बेकार की बातों के बारे में सोचकर we should waste any of our precious time.
और हाँ, वैसे भी किसी को कुछ पता नहीं, including us. So let's just forget about it.
Exactly. Thank you. And in any case, in case of any doubt, you could always take the necessary precautions.
Like what?
अरे यार, what do you call that? Eye pills and all.
Rahul, you're an ass. You know, amongst all the people, I thought you were that one person who'd be really special.
Same here, Antara. Same here.
So how was it last night with Marianne?
What? Are we gonna do some yoga here? Or talk about my sex life?
Well, frankly, I think yoga is better.
Well, I think so.
But, do you think you love her?
I mean, why so inquisitive? Are you jealous or something?
Excuse me, huh?
Hey,
Why
hey,
should
hey,
I
what's
be
wrong?
jealous?
Hey, Priya,
I'm not
hey,
in
Priya,
love with
listen
you.
to me.
People always call them the perfect couple. They never seem to be confused about the relationship.
Ouch. It hurts.
They were very much in love. But somehow, Cupid didn't strike.
Lucky me. Right?
Yeah.
Where are we going, man?
Taking you to heaven.
I hope so.
I'll show you, dude. Check this out.
Wow!
Quarter marijuana.
Wow.
Some nirvana. Some pills.
Killer.
Drops. You know what?
Of course.
And the real thing. Ta-da!
Now this is what the French would call a buffet. Now this is heaven. But it's kind of full of devils, though. And I'm sitting right next to one.
That's the way, I like it. Hello, wow. Nice.
Nice.
Good. That's nice.
Nice.
Thank you.
Wow.
Smells really good.
Yeah. Looks good.
Rocky also loves fish, no? Doesn't he?
He does, but I don't like fish.
Why? Why don't you like it?
It's a long story. Rocky knows about it. And he promised he will never touch fish again.
That's right, but promises are meant to be broken. Especially the vows of marriage.
Well, I still believe that marriage is holy and sacred.
Yeah, well, love is sacred and created by God. But you know, marriage is made by society and it's full of rules and regulations and it cannot work. Absolutely. Marriage is nothing but a compromise.
So you guys think that getting married is not a good idea?
No. Marianne, please don't listen to them. Of course, marriage is great. It's a celebration of your love. Antara, तुम उसे क्यों डरा रही हो?
प्रिया मैं सच कह रही हूँ and the truth hurts.
Just because तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा हुआ ना इसका ये
Enough, okay? Don't get personal. It's none of your business.
Guys, it's their decision. Can you please just be happy for them?
Well, let's say a big cheers to
yeah.
Marianne and Rocky.
Cheers.
Okay.
क्या एटमॉस्फेयर होगा 4 घंटे बाद? I can feel it, man.
Same here, man. Partner,
Huh?
I think it's going to be rocking here tonight.
Dude, that's exactly what I want.
That's what you want, partner, but what does your Firang want?
Obviously me, damn it. What else? Anyway, boss, तू नहीं समझेगा.
हाँ भैया, हम क्यों समझेंगे? वैसे भी इन बातों को समझने के लिए पार्टनर मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है.
Just forget it. By the way, just tell me,
हाँ,
ये जगह कैसी लगी?
brilliant, awesome.
You know, the best DJs are gonna play tonight.
And partner, you're going to be one of them.
Just wait for the music to start,
Sure.
man. It's gonna rock. You wanna hear?
Yeah, let's rock it.
Hey, music!
Down around the corner, half a mile from here, see them always run and you watch them disappear. Without love, where would you be now? Without love, you know I saw Miss Lucy down along the tracks. She lost her home and her family, and she won't be coming back. Without love, where would you be right now? Without love, well, the Illinois Central and the Southern Central Freight gotta keep on pushing by miles, and you know they're running late. Without love, where would you be now? Without love,
Hey guys, it's time to see Antara in her Bahu Saptaah. Let's go!
ये क्या बहू, मुझे कह दिया होता.
माँ जी, माँ को कहानी सुना जाता है. और वैसे भी अपने सुहाग की पूजा की थाली सजाने के लिए मैं आपसे कैसे कह सकती थी?
बेटी, भगवान ने तो मुझे उम्मीद से भी ज्यादा सुशील और समझदार बहू दी है. जैसी सूरत वैसे ही संस्कार.
बच्चों को सूरत और संस्कार आप माता पिता से ही तो मिलते हैं, है ना माँ जी?
भाभी, चांद निकल आया.
चांद निकल आया.
चलो, चलिए.
कितनी आयरॉनिकल सिचुएशन है. यहाँ मिनी स्कर्ट और वहाँ फुल्ली कवर्ड.
What मैं क्या कवड़िया? 8 घंटे उस साड़ी में शूटिंग करने के बाद, you know, in order to get some fresh air, कभी-कभी 2 घंटे घर में बिना कपड़ों के घूमना पड़ता है.
क्या बात कर रही है? तेरा टाइम टेबल मिलेगा क्या?
अपना टाइम टेबल तो चलेगा तेरे को. Anyway guys, मुझे तो इसका अवतार बहुत पसंद आया यार. Very cute.
So your character is a happily married woman?
Yeah, just the character.
Okay, Antara, does that mean there's gonna be none of this Karwa Chauth stuff in your real life?
What? Karwa Chauth.
Later.
Well, my life Karwa Chauth, I don't think so. I've seen enough marriages. शादी के 10 साल बाद mom and dad, 6 महीने बाद my sister and her husband, and after that my brother, he abandoned Bhabhi on charges of infidelity. So
I think this is all just too much.
Yeah, but you know something? I still think one should give marriage a try.
Oh, come on guys. I mean, ये कोई खाने की चीज थोड़ी ना है यार. कि ट्राई करो, पसंद आई तो रखो, नहीं आई तो फेंक दो. I mean, it doesn't work like that, right?
Hey Rahul, that's not what she means, yeah? I mean, sometimes relationships don't work and there are personal reasons for that. पर उसका ये मतलब नहीं कि हम relations को importance ना दें.
But you know, Rocky, I don't really believe in this shadi thing, and I don't think I ever want to get involved in it.
Okay, guys, please let's change the topic, all right? Any which way, we have a long agenda to follow, right?
Right. Oh wow, you look beautiful. You know, the only thing I like about weddings is dressing up and gifts. That's it.
Yeah. Marianne, you just look so beautiful.
I never want to take this dress off me.
Can I try?
Sure.
वैसे शादी करने के फायदे तो हैं भाई. साला एक दिन के लिए हीरो बनने को तो मिलता है.
तो क्या ख्याल है, अंतरा से बात चला दूं?
फिलहाल तो अपना मुंह चलाना बंद कर.
यस बॉस.
ए रॉकी,
क्या?
तुझे क्या लगता है यार, इन कपड़ों में क्या मैं भी हीरो लगूंगा? हाँ?
You look good.
Wow. Antara.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
चलो अब ड्रेस तो डिसाइड हो गई. अब एक फट से लड़का भी ढूंढ ले और कर डाल.
तुम पागल हो क्या? No way.
Not bad, हाँ?
ये ले पहन.
ठहरो. हाँ? मजाक कर रहा
अबे
हूँ.
साले.
अरे यार क्या बात है, मान गए.
राहुल तू तो हीरो लग रहा है यार.
साले. It's nice, bro.
I'll be back.
So nice.
Wow.
What are you doing here?
ये एक और सास बहू के बहू का मेकओवर कैसे हो गया?
You jerk.
बच गए यार. Rehearsals.